yeah, we're taking on water fast, boys. Oh gosh.
First pretty decent fish here.
Dude. Look at all the So I made a purchase today that I may have gotten in trouble for, but that's okay. I got myself a 12-foot John. I was kind of thinking to myself, you know what? I'm gonna buy something small with all this flooding and stuff. We got waters and marsh that my big boat won't be able to get to. So I was like, I'm gonna get myself something a little smaller. I know I have my kayak and everything, but this is just gonna be so much more nice. I can just stack it with decoys in hunting season, and then also take 2 people fishing, which we're doing today, Tyler and I. So I'm gonna show you guys my wife's reaction of me getting this boat. I mean, she's a little upset today, but I told her last night what was going on. But I don't know if this thing is gonna sink or not. All right, so when the guy I bought it from, he was telling me about this part that it got smashed in, so it was hard to put a plug in. So I'm gonna try it from this way. I'm hoping it seals, but I don't know if there's any other leaks in it, but that was the one spot that he said that used to take on water. So if it does, I'm gonna figure out something to seal that part. You're good. It'll float on the back. It's kind of a drop off there, I saw. Any water back here?
Nope.
I'm gonna go first, and then I'll have you push off this.
All right.
Oh, maybe. Tyler?
Taking on water?
Yeah.
Is it?
Not a lot.
All right, we're good.
Yeah, it looks like we got a little rivet, maybe a tiny pinhole. Oh yeah, we're taking on water fast, boys. Oh gosh. All right. Well, we made it out. Yeah, I mean, it's skinny. It's good for like these small ponds and everything. But there's good northern in here, so. I got big trolling motor that I'm gonna throw on here, but it was packed way in the back, so we're using yours today. I think we'll have enough time to fish. Huh? No. I'm okay. I just got to blow up on this, so now I'm a little more confident on it. It was the most shiniest thing I had. Well, that's a nice crappie on the spinnerbait. That's a good crappie. Yeah. Dude, we're going right into a pocket here. Look at that thing. I'm gonna get the big camera out here. See that thing? Nice. Really, he just broke my boat in for me. Yep. Fished her up.
There you go.
Sheesh. Staying. Oh, either weeds or I got something. Got something. Crappie. Crappie. Okay, Tyler. Do you mind? What are you doing? Well, crappie. On the black spinnerbait, just keep popping it up. So it's not even going that far down. No. Yeah. How deep is it? They're probably down there, but yeah. Yep, see? Yeah. Right on the mouth though. I was trying to get his gill plate, but I can't. Little slimy booger. Okay, I got him. Not bad. Take a picture.
Well, first pretty decent fish here. Little northern pike.
Little slimy boogers. Slime up the boat. Thank you, buddy. There he goes. Woo! Beautiful. Got him. Yep. Good old crappie. Good old craps. I'm gonna see if I can get a little frenzy going. That was 3 bites. Get out. I'm catching that bullfrog.
Get him.
Huh?
So get him.
You're right there.
What are you doing? Trying to pour in the water.
Dude. Bob flipped it. Dude, he dropped his jig box. Look at all the bloopers. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, we may have taken a little bit of water in there. It's not that bad though, because we were out here for about 2 hours. Or actually, before I pull the plug, we're gonna go up a little bit more. All right, so it's the next day. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit better. So that's crushed right there and right there. So like all these, I'm guessing they're like the reinforcement bars that go throughout the whole boat. Well, it's crushed right there. You can see the light through there. And then it's crushed there, so you had to put the plug on the inside. But there's a hole right here and right here. Okay, I'll try to show you the light right there. It's gonna be an easy fix, but I'm still gonna take it out today. It wasn't a lot of water in 2 hours.